Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So first I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and here now I'll set the maximum mode. The maximum mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speakers, here the value on this display will change. So let's start. So as can you see, the Xiaomi 12 reach 113.7 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.